Hello and welcome back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we're not going to do a DIY from beginning to end. I'm going to show you what I started with in my bedroom and then what I ended up with. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, so honestly I got a few rolls at first from Amazon. I'll put the link below. And after doing just part of the wall, I decided, okay, I think I got what I'm doing now. I should make a video on how this looks. So part of it is done, but now I'm showing you how I put up the remaining rolls. It's basically the same procedure. This grass cloth is or fake grass cloth, I should say, is very forgiving. It's a very cool texture though. We're doing navy and silver throughout the house. It's kind of the theme colors. So that's what I went with. And when I ordered it and got in, I knew I loved it, but I didn't measure well enough. So I didn't know how many feet I needed. The first few rolls did not finish the wall. So when I got the rest in is when I did this video, as I mentioned before. But I absolutely love the texture, get tons of compliments on it for everybody that comes in the house. So I'm gonna show you just how easy it is. There's not gonna be a lot of talking in this. You're gonna see it's a very, very simple method. You want to peel and smooth, and you'll see how I've done it. I didn't show this one from the very beginning, but the next roll I will. But you're already seeing the method. Just as you slowly pull it, you smooth out any possible bubbles, because the peel and stick paper can be a little unforgiving. Once it's in place, it's really kind of hard to get it to move. And then if you move it too much, it starts to stretch and you'll get more bubbles. So finally, by over half of the wall done, I think I got my method down, and I wanted to share it with you guys and maybe save you a little pain and anguish. The great thing about this grass cloth too is that the stripes don't really go in any particular direction as long as you're coming straight down, or I imagine if you wanted to go horizontal with them, it'd also work, but you just line it up virtually. I overlapped it about half an inch to an inch, depending on how far I was from the edge of the wall. As you're getting closer to the bottom, you want to keep taking your time. I sped up the video just a little bit. I smooth it with my hands. You could use a smoother. I was just really, really worried about putting any snags in this because I got just enough rolls and I wanted to get done. So you see, once I get down to my baseboard or the framing, basically, I use the X-Acto knife after putting it in the crease, really, and I just go slowly along the edge, really slowly, because I want my line to be as straight as possible. I thought about framing this out with other wood afterwards, but I really don't think it's necessary because the white of the walls that are adjacent just frame it so perfectly, and the baseboard does too. So depending on your wall situation, you may want to put in some kind of decorative wood to frame it out, and that wouldn't be wrong. I was left with a little bit after each roll, but it's not quite enough to go all the way down, and I didn't want to have a disjointed look of trying to piece two pieces together. So now the second piece, I'll show you. I'm going to use a new roll, how I start from start to finish. So this is the unwrapping of the roll, and then just very carefully separating it from its backing so you don't tear the paper. And you're gonna see it takes me a little while to do that. Some simple things are so complicated, I don't know why. But once I reveal about 1 to 2 inches, I take just that part that's revealed and let the rest of the weight of the roll just kind of hang down and get it in place using my little step ladder. I try to line it up exactly with the wall, and you'll see there I did do that little half-inch overlap again so that there are no gaps. So once I have that perfectly lined up with the wall, with the ceiling, where the ceiling meets the wall, then I'm just going to start doing the same thing as before. Peel and smooth, peel and smooth. And you'll see the final effects. I'm super pleased. It is not perfect, but the rest of the little bubbles kind of work themselves out. You can definitely always go back with a little safety pin or any kind of pin and poke little holes gently in those if they really bother you, the bubbles. and then smooth them out after it's all up. But you want to make sure that overall it just looks uniform and that your lines aren't looking like they're going south. So just line up the top part perfectly, and then when you come to the bottom, you shouldn't have any problems. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy the final product. I definitely do. I love it. I look at it every day in my bedroom. And please like the video and leave comments below any questions you may have too. Have a good day.